Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're in Norcross, which is in Georgia. So right here, Firehouse 17, it's a winery. They have a nice little patio area out here. Let's see what's inside. This is a quaint little winery in a quaint little town in Georgia. They also have a beautiful little dog, sweet little thing. Well, hello there. Now this is just a short video just to show you what we saw. They specialize in specialty wines throughout America. They do not do their own grapes, they do not do their own wines, but they have a very good selection. I hope you enjoyed our nice little tour of the Firehouse 17 winery. And as always, have a great day.